Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a unique glitch effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is separate our subject from the background. Do that by using the object selection tool. Select your subject, and when we have our subject selected, press Command J or on PC Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Delete the layer below and leave the background as white. By pressing Command J or Ctrl J again, duplicate our subject layer. Convert our top layer to Smart Object by right-clicking and selecting Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Distort, and Wave. Put the number of generations as 13, wavelength to 120, and the maximum to 183. The amplitude to 1, and the maximum to 44. Leave the scale as 100 and 100. The type should be square, and make sure Repeat Edge Pixels is turned on. Then press OK. Now again, by pressing Command J, duplicate our bottom layer, drag it to the top, and create a mask. Select a brush tool, make sure it's soft and that it isn't too big, and make sure black is selected as your color. Start drawing over your subject. I'll make sure that I don't draw over his face. While pressing Shift, I'm going to select all the three layers, press Command J to duplicate them, then right click and go to Merge Layers. Right click, Convert to Smart Object, go to Filter, Distort, Wave. Number of generations, 30. Wavelength, 444, and the max to 445. Amplitude, 1 is the minimum and 10 is the maximum. The horizontal scale should be 92. The vertical should be 1. Leave the type and undefined areas as before. Make sure the scale is set to 90 and 1. Press OK. By holding Shift, I'm going to duplicate all the layers again. Command J or Ctrl J on PC. I'm going to merge all the visible layers, and go to Adjustment Layers, go to Hue and Saturation, and let's desaturate it. Right-click our saturation layer and create a clipping mask. I'll go to Blending Options, and in the Channel section, turn off the green and blue. Select our top layer, press Command T or Ctrl T on PC, and just move it slightly, to the left or to the right. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.